Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a scrolling screenshot in the Edge browser. You don't need any extension or software. This is a built-in Edge feature to take the scrolling screenshot or full page screenshot. First, open the Edge browser and then navigate to the any web page you want to capture full screen. After that, press Ctrl, Shift and S on the keyboard. Now at the top you will see capture area, capture screen area and capture full page. Click on this one option, capture full page. Now Edge will automatically capture the full page screen. Click on this one save button and you can now view your captured full page image. Like this you can see on my screen. I have taken full page a screenshot. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you find this channel helpful, please thumbs up. Bye bye.